Okay, important comments are important. Tell me SnowSQL,
-a
SnowSQL hyphen a
account
account
identifier
name or account identifier hyphen u
username.
username. How to get the account name? So see from Snowflake, click on where? So click on the same thing, click on account. So view account details. So see, it can be this value, okay, account identifier, okay, or this value. Okay, so both are same, no? So you can take the account identifier, okay. Tell me, it's NoSQL CLI say we need to install manually. Okay, so it's a CLI, command line interface. Everything is a commands. Okay, see, search for CMD. Okay, syntax, NoSQL, hyphen a, right click, hyphen u. How to get my username? So
Current
see
user.
username, we can go for what? So you can get from username or how to get by using query?
Select current.
Current user. Okay, current user. Select current user. Okay, control enter is a shortcut. Okay, so this is copy, control C, right click. Okay, which password I should give? Which password I should give? Tell me.
Snowflake
Which
login
password is
password.
it? Snowflake, Snowsite, or classic console UI password. Okay. Let me go back here. So right click. Okay, so password cannot be visible. Okay, we can go back and check. So we have successfully logged. Okay. Now what happens? Suppose let me open one SQL worksheet. Okay. So for this database, so create database. Okay. So we will work mostly in which database? In the development database. Okay. Suppose what happen? I'll go for data load. So data load DB. Okay. So DB. Okay. This is my database name. Same thing. Create schema. Data load. Okay. Yes. Tell me in real time, who will create this database, these schemas, which guy in real time? Which admin?
Admin team.
Snowflake admin.
Snowflake admin. So see, we are Snowflake developers or Snowflake data, and we don't have the privilege to create which one. Which one we can create only? Okay, so the database objects like okay, so tables, sequences, all these things. Okay, but generally this databases, schemas, this roles, this warehouse will create. Tell me this roles, this okay, this one what warehouse will create? Which key? The Snowflake admin guy will try to create. Okay, so we don't have the access to, we'll have real time, we'll have only sysadmin access to create. Okay, so you'll have sysadmin. Okay, got the point. So let me go back here. Now what happened? Tell me. Now we need to go for what? Okay, now I want to select this database here. How to select this database? Using what is the command? Use database. What is the thing? Data.
Database name.
Wait, not giving data load. Okay, control C. Use database data load. Data load. Same thing, how to get schema. So use schema data load. Okay. Okay. So we are in what is Praveen 11?
Username.
Username. What is CompuWH?
Warehouse.
Virtual warehouse. Okay. So to process anything. Okay. To compute resources. Tell me what is data load DB?
Database name.
Database name and schema name. Tell
Schema
me
name.
database name and schema name is called as what?
Namespace.
Namespace. So database name, schema name, and object name is called as what?
Fully qualified.
Fully qualified. This is important. Listen one more time. So the database name dot schema name. Okay, so this is called as what? This is called as namespace. Okay, the database name, schema name, and object name is called as what?
Fully qualified.
Fully qualified name. Okay, so this is important. Fully qualified name. This is so far. Okay. Now what happened? So this is fine. Okay. Next thing is that what now? Okay, same thing. Remember, whatever you work in the Snowsite UI or classic console, the same thing will be there. Everything it's commands will be there. Okay. Now what's the requirement now? Okay, today what call? So today at 10 a.m. I have one Scrum call. Okay, so Scrum call how long? 20 minutes is there. In the Scrum call, Scrum Master is saying to load one file, okay, as a part of data migration. So he's asking to load more than 255 MB file is there. Okay, now tell me from UI it is not possible. So this file is sitting in my local machine. Okay, tell me how to get this done. What I should do? What I should do? We should go for what? We should go for SnowSQL concept. But what happened? See, listen a little bit carefully. This concept is linked up for almost like 50-60% of Snowflake. Now see, okay. So Control C. Okay. So this is my local machine. Okay, emp.txt. Its size is as well 255 MB is my file. Same thing now. This is what? This is Snowflake. I create one empt. What type of table you should prefer for intermediate tables or staging tables? Which type of table you should prefer?
Transient.
Transient table to reduce the storage cost as a part of time travel and fail safe. Okay, see now what happened. So this is so far good. Okay, this is my local machine. This is there. Now what happened? Now you need to understand what this file we cannot able to directly load into Snowflake table. One more time. So the file is there. So file I can't able to turn to Snowflake table. Now which concept will come into picture? Which concept?
Stages.
Stages. Okay, see this is important. Listen a little bit carefully. So file is there. We cannot able to directly dump into Snowflake table. So what I require middle, we require what? We require one what? Some location to place our file. Okay, place our files. So what is that concept called? Tell me called what? So stages. Okay, now we're discussing stages. Important. Okay, see, if I want to process anything, any files, I want to put in somewhere and we can able to access. Again, these are divided into internal stage and one more thing, external stage. Tell me what is internal stage? Anyone, any idea what is exactly internal stage? Nothing but what? Tell me. Hmm. What is internal stage? Tell me
Files are
internal.
stored in files will be stored in
Where exactly internal?
inside
Nothing
the
but
Snowflake.
within Snowflake. Okay, see, submuted self. Okay, so those ones makes a fair points. And don't take control of mine. Okay, now tell me 1 second. 1 second. Suggestion.
Someone had scribbled on the screen, Praveen.
Just one. Okay, now see what happened. So tell me internal state nothing but what same thing. What is internal tables? Our data will be stored physically in where? In the storage layer in the form of microparties. Same thing. Internal state is nothing but what? Our data files will be stored where? Inside Snowflake. Inside Snowflake. Okay. So what is external stage? Tell me our data files will be stored what? Stored? Stored where outside Snowflake. Outside Snowflake in the sense like tell me anybody where exactly in the cloud, in
AWS,
the
GCP
AWS
cloud.
cloud, Azure or GCP. Okay, so remember, so in the internal stage, our data files will be stored inside Snowflake. What about external stage? Our data files will be stored outside Snowflake, nothing but AWS cloud, Azure cloud, and GCP cloud. As of now, my data is sitting in local machine. We need to talk about on what type of stages. Tell me internal external stages. My data files are sitting inside my local machine. We should go for internal stages. When data files are sitting in the cloud, we need to go for external stages. Today we'll discuss internal stage. Tomorrow we'll discuss external stage. See, my data files are sitting inside Snowflake. Nothing but what will go for internal stage. Okay. Again, these are divided into user stage. Important listen. Intro perspective, table, and named internal stage. Okay, so user stage, table stage, and named internal stage. Okay, let me go back here. Okay, six. This. So you should prepare notes like this. Okay, so for every topic. Okay. So Snowflake stage locations are are where data files are stored, which helps in loading and unloading. Okay, so this is nothing but what? So loading and unloading. Okay, see, it can be internal or external. So internal stage nothing but stores the files within Snowflake. This will be stored external location in the AWS bucket, Azure container, or GCP storage. Okay, now our files are sitting in local machine. We should go for what? Go for internal stages. Again, these are divided into what? These are divided into, tell me, user stage, table stage, named internal stage. So now today we're discussing internal stages. User stage, table stage, and named internal stages. Okay, see the same thing. So now we're discussing internal stage. Tell me, our data files will be stored where? Within Snowflake. So again, these are divided into user, table, and named internal stage. Okay, same. So remember, all the stages will be accessed with the help of at the rate thing. Okay, see, this is at the rate, tilt symbol, at the rate, percentage, table name, okay, and at the rate, named stage. Okay, what about this one? How to access external stage? Tell me anybody. At the rate, external stage. So see, all the stages will be accessed with the help of at the rate symbol, at the rate tilt, percentage table name, at the rate named stage, at the rate named external stage. Okay, got the point. So this is right now discussing internal stage. Our data files will be stored within Snowflake user, table, named internal, and named external. At the rate tilt, at the rate percentage table name, at the rate named stage, Okay, now so far good. Okay. Now what happened? Tell me now. See now tell me what is my username? How to get my username? Select select
Current.
current user. Okay, see point in reverser. So like whenever we create any user, okay, what happened? Snowflake will create some location. See, whenever we create any user, okay, Snowflake will create some location to place our data files. Okay, see data files. Simple thing. So whenever get any user, what happen? User stage will be automatically created. Okay, this is the functionality. See, so see what happened. So user, whenever I create any user, what happened? User stage will get automatically created. Now, how to access by using which keyword? List at the rate tilt symbol. So simple thing. So see what I should check. So list at the rate tilt symbol. Okay, we are getting the same thing. So some performance. Now tell me how to remove the files by using which command? RM or remove. By using this, we can get it. You can see RM at the rate tilt. What exactly I'm trying to do? I'm trying to remove the files. Okay, see list at the rate tilt. So point whenever you create any user, so user stage will get automatically created. Suppose see in my project, so 4 developers are there. So one admin is there, one architect is there. So see there is okay totally 6 Snowflake users are there. Tell me how many stages will be created by default? By default, tell me totally.
Six users.
6 user stages will be created. And remember, so one user stage data cannot be visible to other users. So this data, whatever I post here, so this data cannot be visible to here. So you need to understand this functionality. Okay, see one more time. So by default, whenever I create any user, what happen? User stage will get automatically created. Okay, so this is what? So list at the rate tilt symbol. As of now, no files are there. Now what happened? Now see, now my requirement is that what? So
Naveen,
this, good.
list gives what information?
Like files, what are the files are there? See, file names. Okay, whatever files are there in the stage, it will give the function. Okay. So see now what happened? Okay. Let me complete. We'll get somewhere. See, now my point is that my file is there sitting in my local machine. Now I want to place this file into Snowflake internal stages. Tell me how can I place the file into Snowflake internal stages by using what command?
Put command.
Put command. So see, this is important. So see, by using put command, so we are taking the file from local machine and placing into where? Placing into Snowflake internal stage. It can be anything. User stage, table stage, and named internal stage. So one more thing. So see, my file is sitting in my local machine. So if I want to load to Snowflake table directly, we can't load. We should put in some location. This location is called as internal stages. Okay, how to place the file by saying put command. With the help of put command only, we are taking the file and putting here. So what is syntax? Syntaxes are important. Listen, you need to buy had a syntax. So put file path stages. Okay, see, simple thing. So put, now what's my file? Suppose see, ID, name, city. So always go with simple thing. So we can discuss the nulls handling, the duplicate, all this thing later point. So always make sure like you have understand the concept. Okay, then you can go for complicated. Okay. So Control S. Okay. 1 second, give me. 1 second, please. Okay, see, remember one more important thing. Okay. So see, remember one thing. Okay, copy the file path. Copy file path. Okay. So see, what syntax? Put file the file path. Okay. See here, you should be clear. Like, so no spaces are there in anywhere. Okay. If you have spaces, no, it won't be accepted. Okay. See, so place a file such a way that so there are no spaces in suppose see public like this. It won't accept. So make sure like this is the functionality. Copy. Now tell me now what exactly I am trying to do. Anybody can able tell me this line? Line number 58. What exactly we are trying to do?
You are trying to save the data in the staging.
So we are
Yeah.
taking the file from where? So we are taking the file from local machine and placing into Snowflake user stage. So see, we are taking the file from this particular path and placing into Snowflake. What says Snowflake user stage? Okay, let me go back here. See what happened. What is saying? See, it is saying what? Unsupported feature. What is the functionality? Tell me. So
Put
see,
command will not
put
work in UI.
command won't work in the UI. This is important point. Okay, see, so always remember. So put command doesn't work in the UI. Okay, UI. It can be classic console or snow site. Only work in CLI. So this is one important question. So put command and get command only work in the what? Work in the CLI. What is syntax? One more time. Put file path.
File path.
So right click. So copy the full file path. Okay, go back here. So Control V @ So see no spaces. So this is important. Copy the same thing. Control C. Where I should go? Go to CLI. Okay, right click. Okay, semicolon. Now tell me what exactly see. So source data is getting uploaded. Okay, so where uploaded? See, we are taking the file from local machine and placing to Snowflake internal user stage with the help of put command. Now tell me now how to see list of files by using which command? List @ So tell me what exactly you entered. I am accessing user stage by using list command. How many files are there? Only one file are there. Now how to see the data by using select statement. Select star from @ Tell me it will work. It is saying error. Why? Because so this is not a table. So how to access this type of file? You should go for what? Go for $1, $2, $3. See, $1, $2, $3, $4, metadata. If I want to get the file name, metadata file name from @ See, first column, second column, third column, fourth column is what? Fourth column is what? It's in our fourth column is not only 3 columns are there. So this is my file name. One more time. So if I want to access the stage, we should go for $1, $2, $3 like this. Okay. Same thing. Now point you need to remember is that what? List @ to see the list of my files in the particular stage. What about this one? This one won't work because this is not a table. So we should go for $1. Okay. Now tell me ultimately what I should do now. Data is sitting in my Snowflake internal stage. Ultimately, I want to take this data and I want to put into Snowflake table. So now how to put it with the help of what concept by saying copy into command. So see, this is important. Ultimately, our data need to come into Snowflake table, not in the instances. Ultimately, I want to get this data into Snowflake table. How to get by using which command? By using copy into command. So copy into table. We'll see one more time from @stage. It can be any stage. Okay, see, copy into. So suppose we need to create one table. Tell me now I want to create one table. Tell me how to create a table. By using which concept?
Create a
Okay, see, by using create transient table. Okay, see, I don't want time travel. Tell me, we should go for what concept? Transient table. I don't want time travel. What I should do?
Yeah.
Tell me. So remember, knowing the concept is not important. You need to implement. Tell me. Okay, how
Data
to
retention time equal to 0.
data
Data
retention
retention
time.
time in days.
Okay, see, city where. Okay. Now what happened at the creation also we can put data retention time in days. Okay, see exactly because now those ratings no pro, these questions will be asked equal to 0. Now what exactly we are trying to create transient table with the 0 retention time. Okay. Now how to learn to Snowflake table by using what command? By using copy into table. What is our table name? EMP load T. So from where I want to copy our data?
States.
From which stage? From the user stage. So we are taking the file from this thing and we are trying to load this data. Okay, now see, it will throw error. So what error is saying? Numeric value is not recognized. Tell me why we're getting numeric value is not recognized. Reason.
The header also available.
So see what happens. See the first we should see the data. Okay. So see in this one what? So ID has also one record, totally 3 records considering. Now what happened? So ID what we created? It as number. Tell me in the number, can you go for this thing? In the number column, can I put string value? It is not working. It shows what? It shows okay, numeric value issue. Now how to avoid this numeric value issues? Now I want to load only valid data. How to load only valid data? We should go for what concept? Go for on error equals to continue. Okay, see the same functionality, simple thing I'll explain. So what exactly it will do? It will load only valid data. Now how to see the data? By using what? By using select star from table name. Let me help you. The same functionality is clear so far. This is fine. See one more time if not able to understand. Okay, so see. So I'm having different data is there. Okay. Okay, tell me totally how many records are there? Totally how many? Tell me how many records are there?
5.
5 or 6?
Records.
5 records.
5.
First one is the header. So 5 records. Now tell me out of 5 records, how many records are val records?
3 records.
3 records.
3 records.
Okay, see, because what? ID is a number data type. So fourth one and fifth one we should throw error. Let me go back here. Okay. First, let me truncate the table for understanding purpose. So truncate table name, control enter. Okay, refresh. Now what's our table? This is my database. This is my schema. And what is the table? EMP load. So where I should go? Go to load data. Tell me where is our file? Sitting in where? Mesh folder in the
Local
users
mesh.
folder. Local machines, user folder, public. Okay, so this is my file. See my file. Okay, see, this is my file. This is this one. Okay, see, open. Okay, next. Tell me require computation bar as we require. Okay, file format is a CSV file format. See, everything is success. Only this one. See what's saying? So varchar should be varchar. See what's saying? Data types. Okay, see, does not match. Why? Because tell me, ID is what data type? We mentioned
Numbers.
number. But what are you getting? We're getting okay, see 2KK1 something. Okay. Now what happened? See when I see what happened, control minus. So here one option is there. So what should happen if an error is encountered while loading a file? Tell me what should happen. By default is what? By default is on or equal to abort statement. What exactly it means? Tell me. If any errors occur, what happened? It load records on.
It won't
It
load the
won't load.
data.
Simple thing. What happened? Let me help you the same functionality. This is important. So in my file, there are 100 records are there. Out of 100 records, one error record occur. Okay. Now what happened? See, when one error occurred, what happened? Tell me. So see, by default, on error equal to abort statement. What it means? Tell me what it means. Okay. So it won't load any record. That was the functionality. So by default, it won't load any record. Okay, let me go back here. See, so do not load any data. Confirmation purpose, load. Now see what happened. It says error on line number 1, numeric value is not recognized. So done. Now see what happened. Tell me. Any records loaded? No. Okay, see by default, if any error occurred while loading, no, it won't load any single record. So it's a functionality. But what happened? Tell me now. Okay, so now remaining records are valid. Now I want to load only val records. How to load only val records? Why should not what concept? We should go for what? Go for what? Go for what?
On
Another continue.
on
On
or
or equal to continue. These two are important. Will work in real time also. See, now go back here. So see, so on or equal to continue. Nothing but only load valid data from the file. Okay, this was the functionality. Okay, now see what happened. So out of 6 records, 3 records are valid records. Okay, we should go for what concept? On error equal to
Continue.
on equal to continue. If I want to load only val records, so we'll see. Right now, what happened? Tell me. Now, how many records are we seeing?
3.
See one more time. So let me load the data. Load data. Browse. So this is my functionality. Next. So file format. Okay. So let me, okay, use the functionality, only load. Okay, now see, out of 6 records, what happened? Now, how many records we are getting? Only
3 records.
only 3 records. But how many error messages getting? Only first error message. But okay, but I want see remaining 3 errors. Okay, we'll see the same thing tomorrow. Okay, the error logging. Okay, tomorrow because no, ultimately what tell me what we want to load all the 6 records. But what happened due to some issues we are not getting. So, but what happened? We want to get this 6 records also to be loaded. Okay, so we should go. We should see the 6 records. How can I see? We should go for some concept. Is I'll explain the same thing. Okay, this is the functionality. We'll see the error message tomorrow. So by default, on equal to abort statement. If I want to load val records, we should go for what concept? Go for on equal to continue. So see done. Now see what happened. Query data. Tell me this is what? The database name, schema name, and object name is called as what?
Fully qualified name.
It's a fully qualified name. Okay, see now we're getting 3 records, but we need to figure out what are the 3 records are there. We'll see tomorrow. This is the function. Okay, got the point. Huh? So now you need to understand is that what? Okay, now how to load val record? We should go for copy into table from this thing. So this is functionality. So far good. Okay. Now what happened? So see in my project. Okay, understand the use case. Submit yourself. Okay. So user 1 and user 2 is there. Okay. Now what happened? I have uploaded my file, ABC file in user 1. Tell me this user 2 can access this ABC file. Huh? Yes or no? No. Why? Because
they're independent to each other.
so see, we can say it's a user specific. Okay. See, so whatever we upload, tell me. So whatever we upload in the user 1, this data will be available only for this guy only. So user 2 is a, so user stage limitation is that what? Only available to particular user only. So this is the functionality submit itself. Okay, see. So data will be available for only what? Only for the particular user only. This is the functionality. User stage only available to particular user only. Got the point? Huh? There's a for. So this is the functionality. Okay, same thing. Now what? Tell me now what happened. So how to access table stage? at the rate percentage table name. So let me go back here. Let me see my table. Okay. Okay. List at the rate percentage table name. This is what stage? Tell me what stage? What
Table
stage?
stage.
Table
Table
stage.
stage.
Tell me we are creating manually. Yeah?
No.
No. So by default, what is functionality? Whenever you create any table, table stage will be automatically created. So this is the functionality. So whenever you create any table, what happen? Table stage will get automatically created. So simple thing. Whenever I create any user, user stage will get automatically created. Whenever create table, table stage will get automatically created. Confirmation purpose. Suppose see, I'm putting load one. Tell me, it says what? Does not exist. Why? Because tell me why? Why? Table does not exist. So table not there. Tell me now, by using this table, I want to create a backup table without data. By using which concept we can create?
Clone.
No. Clone will give data, no? Without data.
Like.
Let's go for like a concept. So like, okay. So see without the data. Okay, see without data. Okay, understand the functional without data. Okay, then go for like or go for CTAS with false condition. Okay. Okay, now see table is there. Now what happened? Table stage will get automatically created. Now how to place the file in this table stage by which command, by which concept? And now I want to place the file in this table stage. How to place the file in this table stage by which command? Put command. Put command where it work?
CLI.
CLI. Okay, CLI. Okay, like this you need to understand step by step. Okay. Okay, so syntax for put command, tell me put file path. Okay. Okay, at the rate tilde symbol. Okay. The same thing. Let me go back here. See, file is already there. Okay. Control C. Right click. Okay. So where I should put not the tables, not the user say, we should put where? At the rate percentage table name. So table name. Okay. Okay, got a pointer. So see, so what exactly we are trying to do? We are taking the file from local machine and placing into where and trying to uploading the where into the Snowflake table stage. Snowflake table stage. Now how to see the data by using which command? List at the rate percentage table name. Okay. Now how to see the data by using what? By using $1, $2, $3. Okay. How to get the file name? Metadata dollar file name from at the rate percentage. This is important. Remember, if you're able to understand, almost 50-60% of Snowflake will be completed. Okay. So got the point. So this is the functionality. Okay. So totally how many records are there? 6 records are there. Okay. Now how to load to Snowflake table by using which command? By using copy. We'll see the same thing. Okay. See, so which is the same thing, but what happened? That's not flexible. We go over here and write here. Okay. What is the command? Copy into table name from at the rate percentage stage. Okay, control V. Okay, so far good. Okay, so before that, tell me now where we have uploaded our file, in which layer in the list at the rate percentage table name. Okay, file is there. Tell me this file will be accessible here in different stage. Yes or no? No. So same as user stage. So one table stage will be available to particular table only. Okay, see the same function. Now see what happened. Important. See, copy into table from stage. Now see what happened. It will work. See now what happened. It says numeric value. By default is what? On or equal to abort statement. Now I want to load only valid data. How to by using which command? By using on error equal to continue. Okay, see it will load only valid records. This is fine. So far good. Okay. Now copy the same thing. Control C. Now put the different table. What is the table? Control C. Control V. Tell me what exactly I am trying to do this thing. This one.
From a different tables stage, you are loading into a different table.
Tell me now, see what happened, line number 40 to 41, what exactly I'm trying to do this functionality. This is important, listen.
You're trying to load data into a emp load underscore t underscore new table from the stable stage at emp load table.
Okay, see, so say table is different, table stage is different. So this is different. So earlier, so both are same tables working fine. But here what happened? This is different table, this is different stage. Different stage, different. Tell me it should work or not?
No, should not work.
No.
See what happened? It shows some error. What is it? Access to the stage area. This is the stage area. The scheme of on the table is not allowed. What is the functionality? Tell me. What is the functionality here? Tell me. Tell me. Okay, see. So one table stage data will be available to this table only. This is see what happened. Now let me upload one more time. We'll get some clarity. Okay. Use up arrow. We can use up arrow. Okay. New. Right, not working. Okay, output command is used. So data has been uploaded. Now tell me now, see, now both are in the same table and the same table stage. Tell me, should work or not? Tell me, both are in the same table. Should it work or not? Tell me.
It should work.
Yes, sir. It should work. It should work. Okay, see. Okay, so semicolon. So make like semicolon. So now see it shows data loaded successfully. Okay, 6 records. This is fine. We're getting only one. We'll see tomorrow error message. This is so far good. But point you need to remember is that what? Okay, see this is so far good. Okay. Now what happened here? Limitation is that what? One table stage data will be available to table only. This is same table it work. But these both are different things. So see what is restriction for the same functionality? So one table stage, one table can access. So one user stage, one user can access. That's what the functionality. But what happened now? I want to use in multiple tables. Now we should go for what concept? We need to go for what concept? Go for named internal stage. Okay, this is the functionality. Okay, see, we should go for what? Go for named internal stage. Okay, see, so we should go for what concept? Go for named internal stage. How to create? So create stage name. Okay, see, this is the named internal stage. See, create stage name. Suppose see what happened? I put internal stage. Okay, create a stage. Now, how to access the stage? Tell me by using which command? By using list stage name. Tell me as of now, any files are there?
No.
No files are there. Now, how can I place these files by using which command?
Put.
By using put command. So put command where it will work? In the CLI. Now, how to see the data by using which command? List of files list stage name, control V. Okay. Now, how to see the data in the stage? We should go for what? Select $1, $2, $3. Okay, metadata $file name. Okay, from stage name. Okay, this is the way we can able to see the data. Now, how to load the data into Snowflake table by using which command? Tell me. By using which command? By using copy into command. Okay. By using what? By using copy into command. Tell me syntax of copy into table. Okay, I forgot my table name. How to get my table name? Show tables. I know starting E letter. Okay, how to get E? I know ending T. How to get E percentage T. The concept you need to make use of it. Okay, then only can able to learn. Okay, EMP load. Okay, so copy into table. And I forgot my stage name. How to get the stage name? List of stages.
Show stages.
Same thing. Show table, everything show keyword. Okay, plural. Show stages. Now see what happened here. We'll get only named internal stage and named external stage. So named internal and named external. So the thing which we create manually only it will be available. The user stage, the table stage won't be available. Only the stages which we create manually by using create statement only visible. Clear? So we don't be visible like a table, like only the table user state won't be visible. Got the point? Huh? The same thing. Copy
Sir,
into.
sir, one
Good.
thing. Sir, while fetching the data from the stage, we are manually giving $1, $2,
Hmm.
right?
So if we have 100 columns like that, do we have
There
any
is one
shortcut?
concept there, infer schema. I'll try to upload a video. We can infer schema concept is the concept.
Oh,
Using infer schema, we can able to get list of columns. Okay, so copy into table from @stage. Okay, stage. Okay. Okay, now what happened? Tell me now. See, it should work. See, it says what happened? Numeric nothing but data type issues. Now, how to avoid this one? We should go for what concept? On error equals to continue. What will happen? It will load only the valid data into Snowflake table. See the function. So this is same thing. Now go for one more table. Tell me, it should work or not? Other table.
It should.
Continue. It should work. Okay, there is no limitation. Got the point? Huh? The clear so far? Getting a somewhat?
Can you place
Anything?
multiple files on same stage?
Multiple files you can file. Don't worry. Okay, clear this one?
Is there any size for load the data up to?
Tell me. There is no limitation. There is no limitation. Okay. So for data loading, there is no limitation. Okay. We can go on.
Okay.
In the document, there is not mentioned in this size. You can load. Okay. See now what happened. This clear so far. Now what happened? We need to conclude one more time. Okay. So see the same thing. Now see what happened. So see now from the UI we can load maximum of 250 MB. If I want more than 250 MB, what I should go? Go for what concept? Go for SnowSQL, or we can go for cloud concept. Okay, see how to log in SnowSQL -a account name or account identifier -u username. This is the same thing. Okay. Now what happened? Now tell me now. So file is sitting in my local machine. What I should do? We should go for what concept? Okay. So we should go for what command? Put command where I should place the internal stages. So remember, without stages, we cannot able to access any file. Now, how to load into by using which command? By using copy into command into Snowflake table. My table data is sitting. Okay, this is one. Now, what happened? Again, internal stages are divided to user table and named internal and named external stages. Okay. Now, this is @ see, these symbols are important. @ tilt percentage table name. Okay, named internal stage. This is the function. You got user stage, table stage, and name internal stage. How is the list of files by using which keyword? List @ symbol. List So tell me, user stage only user can access. What about table stage? Only particular table can access. What about this thing? So this guy can access anything. Okay, this is the functional. How is the data by using what? By using selected $1, $2 from @ stage. Okay, it can be any stage. How is the list of stages by using which command? By using show stages. What syntax for put command? Put file path stage. Tell me external stage worker? Only internal stage, not external stage work. Okay. Now how to load by using what? By using copy into table from @ stage. Okay. If I want, we go for on error equal to continue. Clear so far? This is the functionality. Ask a question. Go ahead. End also in one.
Table page others users can see. For table stage, other users can see the table space.
Other user can see if they have the access.
Okay. So the put command only for local machine. We cannot access anywhere any other things.
Put command work in CLI.
No, only local machine only can access. We cannot access Oracle database. Local
machine. Local machine. Okay, see, local machine put command place into stages, copy into Snowflake table. So this is the image you should remember. Okay. Now see these questions. Tell me type of Snowflake stages.
Internal stage and external stage.
External stage. How is the files in user stage?
At list at tilt.
List space @ tilt symbol. How is the files in table stage?
List percentage table name.
Okay, same thing. How to get name internal stage?
Show stages like
no.
Create
How
stage.
to create.
Syntax like create table stage name.
Stage name. Okay, stage name. Okay. how to find the type of stage? Suppose that I am having internal stage, external stage. How to figure out? So if I go for show stages, see.
Type report.
So here one thing is there. See. Okay, let me see here. Type. By using type, we can able to say it's an internal or it's a internal. So by using type column. Okay. How to remove the file from Snowflake stages by using which command?
RMR remove.
RMR remove command. Okay, see, I'm having 100 files, 100 columns are there. I want to see only fifth column. How to see only fifth column?
$5.
$5. In this question asked recent. Okay. How to get the file name?
Metadata
$.
file name.
Metadata $file name.
File
Okay.
name.
File name. Okay, see, what is the maximum size limit in Snowflake UI?
250.
250 MB. So does put command work in the Snowflake UI?
No.
Not here.
Okay, see it work in the only in the
CLI
CLI.
and console.
That is no console won't work, no, only CLI. Console is a UI. Okay. Tell me in my project there are 3 Snowflake developer, 1 Snowflake admin, 1 Snowflake architect, 5. These guys are there. Okay. Tell me now how many stages will be created? Any guess? Let me take the screenshot for understanding purpose.
6 stages will be created.
That's it.
For tables also, table
Tell me. So how many stages will be created here? Tell me.
6 for developers.
What
and,
stages? 6?
User
6 user
stages.
stage. 5, no? 5.
5.
User stage.
5, yeah.
5 users. Okay. So what about tables? So permanent table, transient table, temporary tables. Okay. See,
15,
external table won't be.
15.
So 15 table stages will be created. Okay.
Yeah.
What about this thing? 2 named external. So totally 4. Okay. See, 5. Okay. See what? 5, 15, 20, 24 stages will be there. Okay. So 24. Now, if I go for show stages, how many stages will be available? Tell me, just now discussed. How many stages will be available?
4 stages.
9.
4.
9.
Only, not 9. 4. Only named. Whatever you create manually, that will be shown by using create command. So only named internal stages. See what happened? When I go for show stages, how many we are getting visible? Tell me. Only what? Only what? Internal stages and the one we create manually. Okay, see, only these two will be visible. Okay, only named internal stage and the named external stage only will be available. Got the pointer?
Yeah.
This is the functionality. So far, clear? So far, so this is the simple thing. Okay, we'll see the same thing, error message. And if I execute the same file one more time, what will happen? We'll see it tomorrow. Okay. So purge command, force command, we'll see tomorrow. We'll get some clarity. Okay. So go step by step. Okay. See, don't be in a